Look at the song Construction Zone in Unit 5, Happy in Hard Hats. What note do we play in this song? They're all middle C's. First, let's find some middle C's that we play with our right hand. I found 3 in this measure. I know it's in our right hand because they're written closest to the treble clef staff, and the stems are pointing up. In this first measure, which hand will play the middle C's? Our left hand for bass clef and stems that are pointing down. Let's get ready to tap the notes and say the counts. We need both hands, finger number 1s. Get your left hand ready to tap first. Remember to count 1, 2 for half notes and say 1 for quarter notes. Ready, set, count, and tap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now we'll go to the piano and play the song. To play this song, we need to put our hands in middle C position. Find the C key that is right across from your belly button and put both finger 1s, our thumbs, together on that key. Then each finger gets its own white key. Let's play the middle C's in construction zone while we count the rhythm. Which thumb will play first? First, we'll play middle C with our left thumb. Ready, set, play, and count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Did you remember to start, play the whole first line, and then continue on to the second line, and stop at the double bar line? Let's play again, but this time we can sing the words while we play. Or you can play and I'll sing the words. Ready, set, left hand first. Maxine, dig a hole. We don't know how deep you'll go. Keep your hard hat on while we sing this digging song. Now you can play the song Construction Zone while I play the teacher part so we can play a duet together. Get your hands ready in middle C position. Ready, set, here you play. Maxine.